Well, ever seen strange codes like div over zero or a line of hashtags or maybe this hashtag name question mark in Excel? Well, don't panic. These errors are easy to fix, and once you know what they mean, they can be fixed by anyone. Well, let's break down to the top Excel errors in 5 minutes. Well, let's kick it off with the hashtag div of zero exclamation mark error. Well, to fix this, simply come to the functions and you will use the if function to correct this. So say if open bracket the cell K24 is equals to 0, comma, then open twice and enter. That simply clears it away. That gets rid of that error. And in case you are not convinced by that, simply just whatever cell has is equals to 0 actually. It's the one that you equate to 0. Add two quotation, two area brackets, and then yeah, that fixes that error. Next, we have the name error. This means Excel doesn't recognize your formula. For example, here we have this our formula as our formula, usually due to a typo, which is a typing error. Now double check the function's name to correct it. For example, this, in case you are trying to get the sum, you will remove that, add a U, and there we go. And that is the sum of two empty cells equals to 0. That fixes that one. Next is the hashtag error. This just simply, if you see that your column isn't wide enough, so just drag the edge to resize the column until it's appropriate. In case it doesn't, keep going until eventually it shows you the value. Next, we have the ref error. Now, this only happens, this shows up when a formula refers to a cell that no longer exists. So recheck your formula and update the reference. So in case you had used a cell and maybe by accident deleted it, that's when this error appears. So redo that and you'll get back on track. Well, those are some of the basic errors that you run into. Now for bonus tips, in case you run into an error, use Excel's error checking tool under the Formulas tab, and this helps you to fix misused formulas that you might have miswritten, or you can wrap your formulas in equals to if error. Then you choose the affected cell, and that helps you to hide the errors and show custom messages that you would prefer to be displayed. Yeah, that's just a bonus tip for you. Well, of course, as you know, humans are humans, and yeah, errors are bound to be made here and there. So keep in mind, Excel errors are just clues. Once you understand them, you're in control. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick fixes and stay above the pump. This has been your guide. This has been your liaison, Tech Warlock, signing out for today. Good night and God bless you.